Welcome to the Cosmic Rollercoaster, a brief history of time, the story of everything. I'm Professor Stephen Hawking, and I'm excited to share this cosmic journey with you. Hello, space explorer. I'm Professor Stephen. I've spent my whole life thinking about the stars. Have you ever wondered where the universe came from? We're going to dive into black holes, ride beams of light, and discover the secrets of the cosmos. Long ago, some people believed Earth was a flat plate on a giant turtle, and it was turtles all the way down. Spoiler alert. It's not. We live on a beautiful blue ball floating in space. This is the apple incident. Isaac Newton realized the same force that pulled an apple down also keeps the moon from flying away. Gravity is the cosmic glue, an invisible hug that pulls objects toward each other. The bigger you are, the harder you hug. Einstein had a cool idea. Space isn't empty. It's like a stretchy trampoline blanket. If you put the sun, a bowling ball, on the blanket, it curves it. Then, the Earth, like a marble, rolls around the curve. That's why we orbit. The universe is the giant balloon. Imagine dots moving farther apart as you blow it up. The universe is expanding every single second and has been growing for nearly 14 billion years. If you rewind the universe balloon, it gets smaller and smaller until it's a tiny hot dot. Then, the Big Bang happened. It wasn't really a bang. It was more like the universe suddenly inflated like a super fast firework. Nothing moves faster than light. It zooms at 300,000 kilometers per second and could circle the Earth 7 times in a second. No matter how hard you pedal your space bike, you can't go faster than light. Telescopes are time machines. Light takes time to travel. When you look at a star, you're seeing light that left thousands of years ago. An alien with a super telescope might be looking at Earth and seeing dinosaurs right now. In the tiny kingdom of quantum weirdness, the rules of physics go crazy. Things can be in 2 places at once. Particles act like they're rolling dice, and they hide until you look at them. Black holes are cosmic vacuum cleaners. Imagine a star so big that it crushes itself into a tiny point. Its gravity is so strong that even light can't escape. It's a bottomless pit in space. If you get too close, gulp, you're gone. The noodle trap is called spaghettification. If you fall into a black hole feet first, the gravity difference between your feet and head would stretch you longer and thinner until you look like a piece of spaghetti. I made a discovery. Black holes ain't so black. Everyone thought nothing could escape a black hole, but I discovered they actually leak tiny bits of energy. This is called Hawking radiation. They slowly evaporate away like a puddle in the sun. This is the messy room theory, or entropy. Have you noticed your room gets messy by itself? The universe naturally moves from neat and tidy to messy and chaotic. This is why time only goes one way. The arrow of time is like the unbreakable egg. If an egg breaks, you never see the pieces jump back together. Time is an arrow shot from a bow. It only flies forward because the universe is always getting messier. Time is stretchy. If you had a twin who went on a super fast rocket ship, they would come back younger than you. The faster you move through space, the slower you move through time. It's a cosmic slow motion button. Scientists use 2 rule books for the universe. Relativity for the big stuff, like stars and planets, where gravity makes things move predictably. And quantum for the small stuff, where atoms are random. And probability rules. The search for the key is finding the theory of everything. Right now, the big rules and small rules don't get along. Scientists want to find one single recipe that explains both, but we are still guessing. You are made of stars. Every atom in your body was once inside an exploded star. You aren't just in the universe, you are part of it. Keep looking up and keep asking why. The universe is huge, and there is so much more to learn. Safe travels, explorer.